Yes, good morning, children. And today I will continue our Karnataka lesson, the Kalburgi division. Yes, last previous class we studied about the Kalburgi division, number of districts, and natural resources, and history about the Kalburgi division, the Naikas, and today let us start about the forest and wildlife. In Kalburgi division, only few wildlife animals are there. So langur, deer, fox, bear, wolf, and white dogs are found in this division. Only a few this langur, deer, fox, bear, and wolf dogs, because there is no dense forest. If there is a dense forest, the wild animals we can get, but here there is no, only few dense forests there in Sandur, one taluk only. So because of this, the less forest is there and very few wild animals we can get it. And children, now I will go to the agriculture. And one more important, the Daroji Bear Sanctuary is there in this division. There is in Ballari district. In Ballari district, the famous the Daroji Bear Sanctuary is there. You can get the bears in this Ballari district. So next I will know the agriculture and industries. So probably we know the Kalburgi division is a very backward district among this division. Very district also and division also very backward division. So children, to develop this area and availability of the sources, the government has opened the many agriculture and industrial industries. So here in this division, the agriculture is main source. The all number of peoples are depend on the agriculture only. The occupation is main occupation is agriculture only, and the rainfall is less. In this division, the God has also given that the rainfall is also very less and forest is also very less, and the crops are grown on depend on those only rainfall. So some divisions are called drought prone districts. Drought prone districts, there is a less rain, so rainfall is very less, and here the industries, the availability of sources are more, that is the minerals are more. So iron and steel industries and sugar industries and cement industries, because the cement stones are available in that division, in Kalburgi division. So the cement industries are there, iron industries are there, and steel industries are there. More than these other divisions, these industries are more, and one more is thermal power. Thermal power in Raichur district. So these plants are also available in this division. The major industries of this division, the steel, iron, sugar, and thermal plants are these plants, and these industries are more in this division. So children, and one more. The Ballari and Koppal have the larger iron and steel industries. In Ballari district, have you heard the famous industries, steel industries are there. Jindal, have you heard the name, the Jindal? The Jindal factory is very famous, and they produce the more and more iron and steel in this division. So among these Karnataka, the minerals are more available in this division. So the industries are also, these iron and steel industries are also available in more numbers. So children, the Yadgiri and Kalaburgi have the huge cement industries. In Yadgiri district and Kalaburgi district, the cement factories are more because the availability, the sources are more, the raw materials is available easily. So and about the tourist in Kalaburgi district, the Khwaja Banda Nawaz Dargah, the Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah, Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah is there, beautiful Dargah is there, which is famous for tourists. And have you seen or not? You might have seen or not. The one golden plate is attached to the floor. Very nice Dargah is there. The golden plate without any support that is attached with the floor. That is a beautiful Khwaja Bande Dargah is there. You can see. And the Fort of Bidar and Basava Kalyana, and one more is Hatti Gold Mine in Raichur district. The Hatti Gold Mine, that is the production of gold that is the highest in India. That is, remember, the Hatti Gold Mine in Raichur district. Remember. And major tourist centers, Hatti Gold Mine in Raichur district produces the highest gold mine in India. 80% of gold we produce from this important Hatti gold mines. Remember children, there are a gold mine only Hatti gold in this division, and Ballari district has the one bear sanctuary is there, that is the wildlife sanctuary. And coming to the art and literature and music, folklore, theatre and dance about this Kalaburgi division. So this division is very famous in folklore dance and folklore songs and music, and Vajana Sahitya, Dasa Sahitya is also very famous. Have you heard the name? Very pioneer, in 12th century, the Basavanna, he did the Vachana Sahitya, Vachana Mantapa in the Basava Kalyana, that is in the Kalaburgi division also, and Dasa Sahitya also is there, Purandara Dasa, Kanaka Dasa, they are also belong to this division. They are very rich, and now the new writers are there. The many number of writers are there in this division, and very important first literary work in Kannada. Remember children, very important, it carries 1 marks. The first Kannada literary work, what are the availability there? In that, the first Kannada literary work, remember in GK also or in any other exam, it carries 1 marks. First literary work in Kannada, that is the Kavi Rajamarga. Remember that Kavi Rajamarga. Kavi Rajamarga is the first Kannada literary work, remember, and it was written during the Rashtrakutas period. And Adi Kavi Pampa, have you heard the name Pampa? Remember the 3 Ratnas, Ponna, Pampa, Ranna. Pampa, Ponna, Ranna, remember. Pampa, Ponna, Ranna, these are the 3 gems. Remember 3 gems of Karnataka. What are those? Pampa, Ponna and Ranna. Here the Pampa wrote the one book, that is the Vikramarjuna Vijaya. It carries 1 marks. Vikramarjuna Vijaya. Pampa wrote the Vikramarjuna Vijaya, and one more, The writer, the grammar book Shabdamani Darpana, very important children, the Shabdamani Darpana written by the Keshi Raja. Remember, Keshi Raja wrote the Shabdamani Darpana. The grammar book, that is the Kannada grammar book, that is the Shabdamani Darpana written by the Keshi Raja. Remember, the Kaviraja Marga written by the Adi Kavi. Here the first literary work, that is the Kaviraja Marga, and Adi Kavi Pumpa wrote the Vikramarjuna Vijaya, and the grammar book, the Keshava write the Shabdamani Darpana. So coming to the Vachana movement, very important. The Vachana movement, this movement has started from the Basavana, which is the other communities, and those who are suppressed caste people also they have written some Vachanas to fought against this casteism, high low the caste. In the 12th century, these peoples have struggled to improve the society. The society has divided into the casteism, but these peoples have struggled about this removal of casteism. See here, in 12th century, the Vachana movement had organized, that is in Kalyana, in Kalburgi division. So the Vachanakaras are Basavanna, very important, Basavanna, Allama Prabhu. Those Allama Prabhu's Vachanas are very nice. Akka Mahadevi, she is also very famous. Akka Mahadevi and Jedara Dasi Maya, very nice. Jedara Dasi Maya, Siddharama, these also belongs to the Kalburgi division. Yes, Basavanna, Akka Mahadevi, Siddharamaya, Jedara Dasi Maya, Allama Prabhu, these are the very important Vachanakaras. They struggle many against this casteism. In the 12th century only, now in 21st century, now also we are facing this casteism. We belongs to this caste, all categories. Yes. And suppressed caste also wrote the Vachanas in this division. And Dasa Sahitya is there, very rich. And they also told, in this way only, remove the casteism, what you are, why you are doing. And also they told about the money-minded people. They taught money-minded people and caste peoples also. They taught. There is a very important Kirtanas, that is the Purandardasa and Kanakadas, very famous Kanakadasa and Purandardasa. They taught in the morals in the Kirtanas, their Kirtanas, that is the Dasa Kirtanas, Dasas. So, they criticized, this also criticized the caste system, the very bad caste system, and this also money mindedness. Peoples that are, why you are earning this so much money, why you are that collecting all this money. Jala vande, nela vande, neer vande, gaali vande, kula yake nimige, eke bere jati anno vando. These are some important, very important. In the only few lines they taught very important moral stories, moral things are there. So children, read the Vachanas and understand the meaning of the Vachanas. And the influenced by these Vachanakaras and Dasa Sahityas, some peoples told in their own language, that in folk song and dance also, that is the Tattva Padakaru. The philosophers, these are also philosophers in the form of Tattva Padakaru, Tattva, one formal morals, that is the Tattva Niti. The Tattva Padakaru, Tattva ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು Tattva Padakaru, they call the Tattva Padakaru. Very important, the songs written in the by folklore artists. The songs written by the folklore artists. That is the Tattva Padagalu. They are considered as Tattva Padagalu. These lyrics fought against the evils of the caste system. See, the evils. See, children, the evil means how it was very bad in that time. Bad system. How it is power. So, they also fought against this caste system. In 18th and 19th century, some are there, Chennuru, Jalal Saab and Hanumantava have written their good lyrics in this Padagalu. And during the modern period, many important new writers are there. Some are there, see, Siddhaya Puranik, very famous writer, Siddhaya Puranik, Jaitirtha Rajapurohit, Shantarasa, Pandit Taranath, Beachy, very important Beachy. The jokes are there, Beachy jokes, Beachy stories are there, what he has written. And Mudenuru Sanganna, Simpi Lingana, Shailaja, Churchill Shailaja, Jaydevi Thairi Ligade, Chandana Walika, Jambana, Amarchinta, and many are there in these philosophers and literary works done by these peoples. And Doddata and Sannata are there. In these divisions, the Doddata, Sannata and Tagalogombe, three are there. Doddata, Sannata and Tagalogombe. Tagalogombe means they will dance by the dolls, they will dance with the help of the fingers. Here the thread is attached to the doll's hands and parts. So, however, this Tagalogombe player will know that they can dance and the music is there. That is some important stories, the moral stories in dance, in the form of dance and songs, the folklore songs. They will teach the society. Doddata, Sannata and Tagalogombe are the active folklore theatres. And in Belagal Veeranna, the Belagal Veeranna is person in the field of Tagalogombe theatre. He was a famous. He achieved something in this Tagalogombe play. Tagalogombe Belagal Veeranna is known person in this field. And Nandi Kunita, very important dances are, folklore dances are there, children. You only know the solo dance, break dance and group dance, but these are the old dance, folklore dances. Nandi Kunita, Alavai Kunita, Chaudammana Kunita, Lambani Kunita, Kolata, Veeragase, Durga Murgi, yes, and others are the folklore dances from Karadi Majaru, Killataras, Ata, Hagalu Vesha, these are the part of folklore art. And Karadi Kurita and Killa Katara Ata and Hagalu Vesha, these are the daytime, but these Nandi Kunita, Alavai Kunita, Chaudammana Kunita, Lambani Kunita, Kolkata, Veeragase and Durga Murgi are the other folklore dance. So in Kannada, the blankets in Kinnala and blankets of Kuppal are the traditional arts. The blankets are very famous. These are the important art and architecture and education, because this Raichur and Yadgiri districts are very backward districts and division also very backward districts to bring up this division in the society, in this social life. The government has did the Gulbarga University and one more Central University in Kalburgi district. the Gulbarga University, and Central University in Kalaburgi district, Kalaburgi city. Remember, in Kalaburgi district, the Central University is there and Gulbarga University. Two universities are available. And Karnataka University is in Hampi. Remember, Kannada University is in Ballari district, Hampi. And Sri Krishna Devaraya University in Ballari. And one more is Agriculture University is in Raichur district. The agriculture also in Dharwad, but related to the Kalaburgi division in Agriculture University is in Raichur district. And Bidar has animal husbandry and fisheries university, and Buddha Viharas in Kalaburgi also, and many medical colleges in the Ballari, Kalaburgi, Bidar and Raichur division districts also have the medical colleges, and big ESI hospital is there. And for the rural areas, the government has given this health department, health sub-centers. Health sub-center, one district health center is there, the headquarters. Yes, so district hospital is there, and in rural areas the sub health centers are made to serve the rural areas peoples. So there is a development in the field of education and health. The big ESI hospital is in this division also is there. So children, these are about the health, education and phone code and art and architecture. So I'll send the question answers, write these question answers neatly and send back to in this social group only. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.